What's that?
Can I not say I've never had a cavity before?
No, there was no cavity in
Look,
it.
it's dark.
Yeah, but I'm not sure why it's dark.
I have wacky teeth. Look at that wacky tooth.
Yeah, he said they had really weird twisties on it.
I can't swallow. I can't. I'm gonna live my life, my whole life, and I won't be able to swallow anymore.
That would be inconvenient.
Yeah. And I can't see. I can't. It's just cross-eyed eyes. Does this one match with this one?
Is it like a puzzle?
Cannot see. That one doesn't match. I thought it was. I thought it was good puzzles. See, it's hollow. Who has hollow teeth? No one. Your teeth aren't hollow. Look at that.
No. I think they're normal teeth, sweetie. Look how good that one looks.